Hey y'all, my name is Holly and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing another clean with me video. This is just a morning routine that I do once a week. I'm going to be using my Purification Essential Oil to drop on my wool dryer balls to toss in the dryer. I don't use the toxic dryer sheets. For my laundry detergent, I'm going to be using the Thieves Laundry Soap by Young Living. If you have any questions on how to make your house more of a clean, non-toxic home, just let me know in the comments. I love the smell of this stuff. This is my best friend Brittany, and today I'm going to be doing a collab video with her. Her YouTube channel is called Britts Blessed Mess. She does a lot of different clean with me videos. Her house and kids are adorable. I know y'all will love her as much as I do. I will leave her link below. Don't forget to go to Britts Blessed Mess and show her some love. I'll be using my Thieves household cleaner to clean everything in our house. I got to ditch all of our yucky toxins and use this plant-based product. I really love this stuff. It cleans very well and it smells so good. Because I'm cleaning and I want the house to smell really good and fresh, I'm going to use my lemon and tangerine essential oil to add in my Aria diffuser, and it will make the house smell amazing. This is the exact same thieves cleaner. I just added baking soda for a little deeper scrub. I sprayed this on our bed, and now I'm going to spray it on our furniture. It smells really good. It's a pure, clean essential oil blend that I made. It's frankincense and lavender. Who doesn't love a clean house? Don't forget to go subscribe to Britts Blessed Mess, and I hope y'all enjoy your day.